The Australian government announced changes to visas in late last year as part of the new migration strategy, and these changes will impact Australian existing and potential migrants and students. According to the Australian government, the plan would improve system efficiency, address the country's labor and skill gaps, and assist in combating the abuse of migrant workers and long-term visa holders. On July 1, 2024, several new policies went into force, but some modifications have already taken effect. Visa restrictions for migrants and students. Certain temporary visa holders will not be able to apply for a student visa while they are in Australia, according to the Australian government. This covers, among other things, those in possession of temporary graduate, visitor, and maritime crew visas. By forcing legitimate students to apply from outside Australia, these rules seek to combat the problem of visa hopping, in which former international students continue to reside in Australia on a succession of temporary visas. Increase in temporary skilled migration income threshold. The income threshold for temporary skilled migration has increased from $70,000 to $73,150. This raise helps safeguard the Australian labour market and demonstrates the government's commitment to making sure that temporary skilled workers receive fair compensation. Employers who wish to sponsor skilled workers must adhere to this new standard. Changes to visa conditions of sponsored visas. For visa holders under the Temporary Skill Shortage Subclass 482, Temporary Work Skilled Subclass 457, and Skilled Employer-Sponsored Regional Provisional Subclass 494 visas, extra flexibility has been added to the requirements 8107, 8607, and 8608. In order to find a new sponsor, submit an application for a different visa, or plan their departure from Australia, visa holders now have up to 180 days at a time, or a total of 365 days for the course of the visa duration. Updates to Australia's Temporary Graduate Visa Program. The graduate workstream has been renamed the Post-Vocational Education Workstream as part of the significant revisions to the Temporary Graduate Visa Subclass 485 program that have taken place recently. Additionally, a 35-year age limit has been imposed, with the exception of Hong Kong and British national overseas passport holders who are permitted to remain eligible for up to 50 years. The age limit for the post-higher education workstream will also be 35, with the exception of master's research and PhD graduates who may be eligible for a maximum of 50 years. The replacement stream will be terminated, and the second post-higher education workstream will keep its current name but undergo a name change. The revisions are intended to align with Australia's changing skill requirements and economic environment. New exemptions for UK citizens on working holiday visas. There are now additional exclusions available to UK nationals under the Working Holiday Visa Scheme. Two of these exemptions are the lifting of the defined job requirement and the raising of the acceptable age range from 30 to 35. To be eligible for a second or third visa, you usually have to fulfill certain requirements. Philippines passport holders eligible to apply for a work and holiday visa. Philippines nationals between the ages of 18 and 30 can now take advantage of Australia's enhanced Work and Holiday Subclass 462 visa program. With this visa, they can travel across Australia freely and work part-time jobs for a maximum of 12 months. Candidates must have completed at least 2 years of undergraduate or post-secondary education or hold a tertiary qualification in order to be eligible. Closure of Skilled Recognized Graduate Subclass 476 visa. From July 1, 2024, no further application is accepted for the Skilled Recognized Graduate Subclass 476 visa, which is now permanently closed. The cancellation of this visa, which was once only accessible to engineering graduates from particular colleges, represents a move toward alternative skilled immigration routes. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching.